20 Minutes Setswana presents
Hello Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning how to say my brother, my mother, my father, my dog, and my cat. Are you ready, kids? Abuti, how do we say my brother in Sesotho?
Abuti waka.
That's right, Abuti waka. And how do we say my dog in Sesotho?
Ncha yaka.
That's easy. Ncha yaka. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When you say my brother, my father, my mother, you use wa. And when you say my dog and my cat, you use ya. So when we say Abuti waka, we're actually saying brother of mine. The wa means of. And the ka in this context means mine. So when we say ncha yaka, we're saying dog of mine. The ya, once again, in this context means of. Dog of mine. Now let's practice this some more. Abuti, how do we say my mother in Sesotho?
Me waka.
Very good. Me waka. And how do we say my father in Sesotho?
Ntate waka.
That's easy. Ntate waka. Now how do we say my cat in Sesotho?
Katse yaka.
Very good. Katse yaka. And now you understand a little bit better when talking about possession in Sesotho. Goodbye, Abuti.
Salahantle.
See you next time.